Hi friends, today I'll be sharing with you the flaxseed mouth freshener recipe, also called Alsi Mukhwas. This is an after meal treat and it is made from whole flax seeds. Hope you will enjoy watching this video. So let's get started. In a bowl, we'll take lime juice. To this, we will add water and the salt, that is the regular salt and the black salt, and stir them nicely so that the salts dissolve into the lime juice. Now mix this lime juice solution into the flax seeds. Mix them nicely so that the flax seeds are coated. By soaking the flax seeds in such a way, they become soft. This makes them easily digestible. Now cover these flax seeds and keep them aside for half an hour. Now after half an hour, we take a heavy bottom pan and add these soaked flax seeds into the pan, and we will dry roast them. Just now you can see that the flax seeds are sticky. This is because of the solution. By roasting, these flax seeds will become dry. This has to be done on a low flame throughout. This flaxseed mouth freshener is a great nutritional powerhouse. It helps in digestion. It is rich in fibers, vitamins, and minerals. And above all, it is a great immunity booster. You can also add fennel seeds or sesame seeds while roasting. Throughout, you have to work on low flame. Take care so that the seeds do not burn. Can you see the changes? Now the flax seeds are getting dried. They are no longer sticking. You can see how smooth and slippery they are now. And there you are. The flaxseed mouth freshener is ready. Now it is time to put off the flame. Let it cool. And then you can keep in a bottle and enjoy this mouth freshener after your meals. Hope you enjoyed seeing this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Have great times ahead.